Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see more on GIT branch. So in last video, we have seen the branching strategy. In this video, we are going to do practical of the same branching strategy, why the branching strategy is and how branching strategy works. Let us assume that I have number of branches and I have to list out all the branches which is created. So I will say git branch. So what it says it's not a repository. So we have to go in our project repository. Because in that directory git is not initialized. That means local repository for that directory is not created. Let us again give the same command git branch. So it says as of now I have only one branch, one local branch, and my pointer is also pointing to the my master branch. Now I want to create another branch, so I will say git branch and branch name. Let's assume I need dev branch. So we have created another branch, and to list this branch we'll say again git branch. So now it's showing us two branches. One is dev, another is master. But my pointer is pointing to master branch. So I have two branch, but currently whatever the changes will do, it will go to the master because my pointer is pointing to master branch. Now let us assume what are the content we have or the code we have in our current working directory. So we have here number of files in the current working directory. So if you want to switch from the master branch to dev branch and want to do some development, like for example here we have master branch here and now we have to switch here to the development branch. All right, so how to switch it? So we'll say git checkout dev. So it will say switch to branch dev. Now we'll say the same command git and git branch. So it will say you have two branches, but currently your pointer is to dev branch, right? Why? Because we have just switched from master branch to dev branch. And here we can see all the files. So now this is very important. Why we are able to see all the files which is in the master branch? So by default in the git, it's have the behavior to show all the files of master branch to the development branch or the sub branches. So whatever the things we'll see in the master branch, by default you will get in the development branch. All right, so here that's the reason what are the files or codes available in the master branch in the current working directory of the project, we can able to see that. All right, so it will not restrict us. So if I say git status, so I will say on master branch nothing to commit because this all the things are already committed by the master branch. All right, now let's create one file vi. I will create a test file test.rb. I already have that file, so let's change the name. So we'll say foo.rb. This file created by dev branch. All right, we'll save the changes. Now we'll do the ls. So we have one more file called as foo.rb. Now we'll run the command git status. So it will say one new file is there and it's an untracked file. Now let us add this file into the staging. So we'll say git add hyphen all. So it will run add the new file. So it will go into the staging. Now we'll do the one commit. So we'll say git commit hyphen m and we'll write this commit done by dev and we'll give the enter. So now we'll check here. So it says nothing to commit, working tree is clean. So we have successfully added the foo into the dev branch, right? Because our pointer is to dev. So whatever the commit we are going to do, it will going to be commit in the dev branch. So here the in message also you can see that is done by dev, and after that here the file is changed, and here we can see the dev. So it's currently this changes is done in the dev branch. All right, so let's check out to master. So we'll say git check out master. All right, now we'll do ls. So here we cannot see that file which we have created foo.rb, but it's there in the current working directory. So this is a logic. Whatever the changes will do in the development branch, by default it will not go into the master branch. So that's the reason when we have checked out to the master branch from development branch, from the dev branch, changes will by default not get merged into the master branch. So if we again go to the dev branch and if we do the ls, so we can see that foo.rb in the dev branch, but same foo.rb is not visible or it's not there in the master branch. The reason is that same whatever the changes will do in the development branch will not by default or automatically merge to master branch. That we have to do because it's very sensitive. We cannot do every code, we cannot release each and every code into the master branch. So for example, developer done the lot of changes, so that changes should not go into the master branch automatically, right? So that is things release management come into the picture. We have to cross check everything, and after that we have to merge those changes into the master branch. All right, so in next video we'll continue with the same branching part. Thank you so much.